Welcome to another episode of Motion in Motion New Adventures. I'm Lori Olson, founder of the Windex School of Mobile Apps and creator of Six Pack Apps. Let's be honest here. When we start creating apps, it's easy to stick to the tried and true, the stuff that you know it works, the examples, and end up with an app that is a little boring. In the early days of iOS, when we still valued skeuomorphic design, we'd call these boring apps Battleship Gray because they used all the default colors, including that gray palette. I always thought that was an interesting choice of terms. If you look at the history of this particular color description, Battleship Gray, you will find this quote. In 1909, the Royal Navy began painting everything within grasp, a vague nothing kind of color, one that was intended to be useful, not beautiful. Yet over 100 years later, Battleship Gray has become the inescapable basis of almost all design and subsequently most of the physical world. More than a post-war standard issue metaphor for bureaucratic oppression, it is the color of purgatory and boredom. Whoa, we really don't want our apps to be Battleship Gray. Now today we have flat design, and many apps strive for that clean default look to appear more like the built-in apps. And again, we get a lot of boring, indistinctive apps. So what's a developer to do to make their app stand out visually? Sometimes we'd like to add a bit more personality to our apps. And that's what the next couple of editions of Motion in Motion will be covering. First up, let's look at creating some custom badges to use in our apps. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now would be a great time to get started. See the link below.